So I'm going to load a 120 roll film into a Mamiya 7, which is a rangefinder camera. So what I'm going to do is open the back up, push that button in, and then slide this one down. Open it up, and as with most 120 film cameras, the empty spool's on the wrong side, so I need it to move it from here over to here. You always know which the side is the right side because it's always got the winding handle on it. So to get this spool out, the orange tab, click it across, and the easiest way to get a spiral out, instead of trying to get your fingers in there, is just to push that end up and you can take it out. Then I need to do the same over here. Pop that one in. Once that's in place, everything's ready. Get my film. This is really useful. I'm going to put it into the back here, and that will remind me what film I've got in my camera. Let me open up the box. Remember to recycle that, and I'm going to reference that in a minute. Throw away that. Remember to take all the sticky tape off. All of that's got to come off completely. Then I'm going to place it into the camera. Always important to remember not to let go of the film, otherwise it might unravel. Then I'm going to take it across to this side, and if you can't see the hole that you need to place it into, you can just move this round and then the hole will appear. Get enough out so you can feed it in and wind on. Keep winding. And you've got to wind until this black line lines up with the silver triangle. Once you've done that, we can close the back by just clipping it closed, and then I'm just going to wind on, and it will stop at number 1. Like so. There we are, we've stopped at number 1. Now this camera's got a light meter built into it, so it's important to tell the camera the ISO of the film. And if I refer back to the box, the ISO of this FP4 film is 125, so it's 125 ISO. And to change the ISO on this camera, the ISO's in here. Look, there it says ISO, and this one's set to 400 at the moment, so I need to change it to 125. And the way I do that is by lifting this outer ring and then just turning it until I'm on the desired ISO. And this one is the first dot after the 100 is 125. So once I've done that, I'm ready to go.